One of the things I've learned going through this journey is you just gotta listen to your body, and sometimes you gotta be gentle on yourself.
No more hamburgers, fried foods, butter, chocolates. Hi Evan, Doctor here. Just wanted to discuss your results. It's only your cholesterol is slightly on the high side. In May, it was 5.11, and now it has gone up to 5.30. And also the LDL, which is a bad cholesterol, is higher than the normal limits. It is 3.57 yours. It should be close to 2.4. So you better watch your diet, whatever you're eating. So maybe no more hamburgers, fried foods, butter, chocolates that you have to avoid, all right? And half an hour walk per day, 5 days a week will help also. All right, take care. Bye-bye.
So that was my doctor, and I need to get my cholesterol in check. Right now, I'm on a 50-day challenge to extend my life. If you haven't seen other videos, you can go back and watch them. But basically, how much can I do in 50 days to extend my life and hopefully give me some habits that I can use to make that life extension happen? I went to go see my doctor, get my blood tests, do my annual physical, and see how I was doing. The good news is everything else is pretty good. The bad news is cholesterol is a little high and I need to work on it. So what have I been doing so far? What have I learned? I've been reading some books, learning about longevity, and I've applied the following things to my life. I am now fasting 7 days a week, and I only eat from a 6 to 8 p.m. window. 6 days a week is healthy stuff. Saturday is whatever I want. I am working out 6 days a week. Saturday is the only day off. 2 days a week I'm doing yoga with also doing some stairs because you got to get the heart pumping and the breath going. 2 days a week I'm doing swimming, and 2 days a week I am doing weights, working on my shoulder mouse, and again doing stairs. The research I found so far is you have to have some kind of activity that gets your heart pumping and breath going, so just doing yoga is not enough. Got to do something that involves some physical breath work. And then the last thing that I've added is cold. So after every workout, having a shower, turning it to cold, freezing my face off, and then coming back out. This is the start of a new week, and I'm not quite sure what new things I'm gonna add in, but I definitely need to go and look at how to reduce my cholesterol, because I'm not eating a whole bunch of hamburgers and fried food, so let's get to researching. Okay, Mayo Clinic, the top 5 lifestyle changes to improve your cholesterol. Let's see what they got for us. Eat heart-healthy foods, reduce saturated fats, primarily found in red meat. I don't really eat a ton of red meat. Full-fat dairy products. I don't really eat cheese. Cream in my coffee sometimes. Actually, what do I have right now? I think today was black. Ha 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 ha. All right, good. Okay, so we're going black coffee only. Black coffee only. Okay. Next, eliminate trans fats partially. Okay, I don't have any trans fats in my diet right now. More fish. Okay, we eat fish at least once a week. I think we're doing decently on the fish. Foods with omega-3 acids also include walnuts and flax seeds. Okay. Let me see. Mixed nuts. There's walnuts in here. Do these count? Do these count? There's walnuts here. I eat that. Okay, let's have some more of these. Increased soluble fiber. Fiber can be found in oatmeal, kidney beans, Brussels sprouts, apples, and pears. Okay, oatmeal. Let's add some more oatmeal to the diet. Whey protein. Health benefits attributed to dairy. Studies have shown that whey protein gives supplements both LDL cholesterol and total cholesterol. Okay, so we have to pick up some whey protein. Okay, we can put that on. Exercise. Okay, we're doing this most days of the week. Okay, this is already happening. Quit smoking, I don't smoke. Lose weight. We are tracking the weight weekly, so we'll see. We've lost 7 pounds since starting this, and I don't drink any alcohol, really. So, and that's it. So, no cream in the coffee. That's one. Walnuts, oatmeal, whey protein. Homework for this week. Let's go.
Day 16. Yesterday was rough. It is snowing right now. I'm getting my cold exposure on here. Yesterday was rough. We had a really bad pressure system coming in, and I just got a headache, like a pounding migraine that I haven't had in a long time. And just was really hard. I had to do my interviews and still showed up for everything. But I did eat early and went a little late. So normally the goal is 6 to 8 p.m. eating. I ate the oatmeal around 4, and I think I finished eating maybe lasting around 10. So not too bad, not like crazy go have hamburgers and off the deep end. But it's those little moments, you know, like that's easy to continue into today. It's like, oh, you know, let's just go and stay a little earlier or have that little snack. You know, what do you do when you have a rough day? Well, you bounce back the next day, right? So today we're doing it right. We're doing 100% right. When you have a one-off day, that's not the end of the world. You are what you consistently do, not what you do every now and then. So yesterday was rough. Today we're back in the saddle, getting my cold exposure, getting an extra walk, gonna go swimming, stick to the diet. We do difficult things. Let's go. Whew. Just got done. So my previous record for laps lengths in a pool was 30, and I went for 40 today. That's a pretty good record break. I am tired, but proud. Shower. Now we got work to do. Let's go.
Okay, day 17. Today is a Saturday, so Saturday is supposed to be the cheat day. The idea is I still do the fasting, but then there's no scheduled workout, and I can eat whatever I want at 6 o'clock. So I'll see. I have a feeling I'm feeling like doing some working out for some reason. So we're gonna get a coffee. Nina's inside Tim Hortons right now. Tim Hortons, good Canadian coffee shop. Getting coffee, black, getting used to the black coffee instead of the cream. And then probably gonna do a little bit of stairs today. And then the family's coming over, we're gonna go swimming. So we're gonna get some workout in before I enjoy whatever we're gonna eat tonight.
Whew. Hour and a half swimming. I forgot how much I missed it. I used to swim every morning, and then they shut the pool down because of COVID. But right now the schedule is twice a week swimming. I don't know. I might have to pick it up a bit. It's a great workout and a lot of fun. This is my 4th time up the stairs. 4th time up the stairs today. But after that dinner, got something to work off. Let's go. We're gonna run up 13 flights. Woo-hoo-hoo. It is day 18, and look what I'm waking up to. Snow. So last night was brutal. I was up until 4:30 in the morning, and I think it's a result of me overtraining yesterday. I did the stairs up 4 times when I normally would do 1, and I swam for my record, 40 laps, and then over the next hour swam for another 40 laps. And it was supposed to be my day off. Saturday is supposed to be the day where I don't do any kind of training, just break 1 day per week. And that's the day that I decided that I needed to overtrain. So what ended up happening was my legs cramped like crazy. I tried to lie down, normal bedtime. My legs were just cramping. Charlie horse back to back. So it took me till 4:30 before I could actually fall asleep. So the plan today is supposed to be cold exposure. Check. We're making that happen. Then working out's going to be swimming again. And then for eating, it's supposed to be fasting. So this is supposed to be the start of a 46-hour fast where I don't eat again until Monday. So from Saturday at 8 o'clock at night to Monday at 6 o'clock at night, 46-hour fast, just a black coffee in the morning and then some water and sea salt during the day, 46 hours. We'll see if that happens. Right now I'm feeling okay, but one of the things I've learned going through this journey is you just gotta listen to your body, and sometimes you gotta be gentle on yourself. So I'll keep you posted. We'll see how far we make it.
Day 19, I'm tired. I don't think I slept at all last night. I was up until 5, just kind of tossing, turning, then just got up. Lots of ideas. Working on a new NFT project and just too excited. Try to shut the brain off. Just 2 days in a row of not great sleep. So we're gonna get through today. I'm very excited for what's happening, and let me show you what the workout plan is. So I thought to make it easier, I'd make a quick little PowerPoint for myself. So here's today, fasting. Finished my 46-hour, oh right, I'm not eating too. Perfect. I am almost done my 46-hour fast. 1 black coffee, eating 6 to 8, no sugar, no processed foods. Exercise today, 30-minute walk outside, 1 hour yoga, and then take the stairs because I need to get my heart rate going. And bonus swimming. Oh, I felt so good swimming. We'll see. It's a busy day. I just might do it. We'll see. All right, 46 hours later, the fast is done. Let's eat. Also got my bonus, 40 laps in the pool. Let's go. So it's day 20 for me. That means it is time to wrap up this video. But before doing that, we need to do a weight check-in to see how I'm doing. So not too bad. I started checking my weight 2 weeks ago. It was 197. So we've lost 11 pounds in 2 weeks of doing this. It's a pretty good indicator for life extension, so we'll keep on it. I've got some exciting things planned for the next week to continue the deep dive into extending my life. If you want to check out what I do next, see the video right there next to me. I think you'll love it. Continue to believe, and I'll see you there.